Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom. And we were out at Costco's the other day and we saw this pack of sliced beef short ribs out there. And so thought I'd bring them home, see what we could do with them. They're supposed to be USDA choice. So let's cut this wrapper out and see what's in here. My trusty Cuisinart knife out here. Let's see if I can't dump the biggest part of this mess in the sink. And there we go. Now it's all unwrapped. Now see if I can get it separated here. That looks like some good stuff right there so far. I hope it ain't too small of pieces here. Oh, that looks pretty good. Okay, now getting these things separated is just a trick in itself. Okay, now I'm just going to leave these out right here and I'm going to cook now, and the rest of them I'm going to put in these vacuum chamber vacuum bags here. And we'll go back here and seal them up. Save them to when we can cook the rest of them. Now you notice I turned the bags down on the sides like this so you don't mess them up when you go to put your meat in there. You don't get all that stuff all over it. Like I laid that one on top there. And then when we go in there, we'll just go fold them up like this. Now they'll go in the sealer okay. You can seal them up. Okay, I want to do my door here on my vacuum chamber sealer. Put them in there just like that. Hold it down, turn on the power, shut the lid. And so much for that one. And so much for that. Okay, now the first thing we'll do to this thing, I'm going to spray a little bit of this. I can't believe it's not butter on them. In the aerosol spray here, no, I don't think it's aerosol, pump spray. Excuse me. Then we'll put a little pepper on them. Put a little salt on them. Now then we'll use some of this Weber's dry rub here. Now, this is pretty good stuff here. You know, just about everything Weber makes is pretty good, so give it a little shake. And now we're going to turn them over and do the same thing on the other side. Now, before you touch any of your equipment here, make sure you clean your hands off. Even though I've got gloves on, I still want to wipe my hands off, get all that juice off before I start handling my spray bottle of Can't Believe It Ain't Butter and salt and pepper and Weber's and all that stuff. So make sure your hands are cleaned off good so you don't bring it over to this. Well, I bet you this is going to be good right here. And it's not going to take long to fix. Easy to fix. If you folks started fixing this about 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock tomorrow, you'll be ready for the 1 o'clock football games. Don't that look good? Good. Alright, now we're going to set down this Ninja FOODi basket one way or the other here. They're going to go in there. Oh yeah, just like that. The biggest is in here. Just like that. Well, good little piece of fat there. It might add flavor to it. So, you can see what we got in here. Now I'm going to put it down this Ninja FOODi Deluxe over here. These are pretty thin, so I don't think it's going to take them a real long time down in there. So I'm going to set it on, I'm going to go ahead and run it up to 400 and put them on for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to take a look at them and see. Now the next thing I'm going to do is shut the lid on this Ninja FOODi Deluxe, turn on the power button. Okay, now I'm going to run it on up. You got to hit your button over here where it says temp. Hit your temperature button and it'll flash, and we'll go run on up to 400 degrees. And now we'll go ahead and hit my time button over here, and it'll start flashing. And I'm going to drop it down to 10 degrees. I mean 10 minutes. Okay, and then I'm going to hit it's old age setting in, folks. It's just confusion, you know. And then I'm going to push in this button right here, and it gets it to going for the 10 minutes there. Now, while y'all got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us some thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much for all you people who watches our videos. It really does mean a lot to us. They're almost 7 minutes, so let's take a look and see. Oh, I'll tell you what, that looks pretty good, don't it? I wonder how they are. Of course, you know, with a lot of us, all you got to do is get beef good and hot. Okay, I'm going to get me a little piece out here. Just send it over there and see. I'll tell you right now, if it has to have much more cooking done to it, it's not much. Because smoking. Oh yeah, see how tender that thing is? See how easy it cut? Oh, while I'm still doing these gloves on, I'll get them off some. Okay, don't that look good? Make sure a little bone. That don't need any more cooking. That's about it for these little beef short ribs here, sliced short ribs. Tell you what, it really isn't that much to fixing them. Just throw them on there and 2 or 3 minutes you take them up and eat them. Now I cooked them about 7 minutes. And look at that. You don't want it any doner than that. So now you can start out about 30 minutes before the game or whatever. And you'll be sitting there ready to go with these things. They're just so good and tender. So until next time, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video as much as I've enjoyed making it for you. And it's a little short video, so it's because it don't take any time to fix these things. So until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now, and come back and see us real soon. If you can, give us a thumbs up and join our channel. We sure would appreciate it. Goodbye now.